Hi everyone, we are excited to do a video walkthrough of this awesome ranch in Altoona, Iowa. The address is 216 35th Street Southwest. We are perfectly located in between University and 8th Street in Altoona. This is Southeast Polk Schools. Just came on the market, and let's go take a look. Right away, you can see that this home has a great feel to it. It's been well maintained. It's got this open concept with tall vaulted ceilings. I love the living room and the fact that it's open to the dining room and the kitchen, and it's very warm and inviting. We've got a gas fireplace there. Back to the kitchen, all the appliances do stay. We've got stainless steel appliances. White cabinets are very timeless and neutral. We've got granite countertops, hardwood floors, and again, that vaulted ceiling. Here's another view of the living room. One of the other things to note too is all the natural light that this home has. With windows on all sides of the home, this home's gonna be bright all throughout the day. Next, we'll go to the 2 bedrooms. This home overall has 5 bedrooms, 3 on the main floor. The carpet has been updated on the main level. This is the full bath. We've got a linen closet behind that door. This is the laundry room, which also doubles as the mud room. Lots of storage. This is the pantry there. One of the things I'd love to show off too is the backyard. We've got a great sized deck. This is a daylight lot. It's got a lot of yard space to play. The lot overall is just under 1/4 of an acre. And last but not least, on the main level is the master bedroom. One of the things to note is this master bedroom is very, very large. As you can see, we've got a king-size bed. We've got lots of furniture in the bedroom, and it still feels very spacious. From the bedroom, I'll show you the master bathroom. We've got the double vanity, plenty of countertop space. Got a linen closet, shower, of course, and then finally the walk-in closet. Here's another view of the master. And then let's go to the basement. The basement is finished. It's got a lot of family space. So what we'll see here is just a real fun kind of a rec game area, toy play area. We also have a very spacious family room down here. Room for an oversized couch, as you can see. Here's another view of the play area. One of the things I love about this living room is, as you can see, there's a lot of seating space. So we've got an oversized sectional in here that fits very comfortably. Continuing our tour, we've got 2 more bedrooms, great in size. Again, the daylight windows. And last but not least, another bathroom. If you have any questions about this home or want to come take a personal tour yourself, feel free to give us a call, reach out to us. My number is 515-991-1272. Thanks again.